In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. Navigating through financial software can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'll walk you through the process step by step to make it simple and straightforward. First, you'll need to access Zoho Books. You can open your preferred browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll find a variety of options. Look for the option labeled Sales and click on it. This section is where all your sales-related transactions are handled, including invoices and credit notes. After you've entered the Sales section, your next step is locating and clicking on Credit Notes. These are essential when you need to record returns, discounts, or any adjustments that reduce the amount owed by a customer. Once you're inside the Credit Notes section, proceed to click on Create New Credit Note. This action will open up a new form where you'll be inputting all the necessary details regarding the credit note you're about to issue. Now, let's begin by choosing a customer name from the list provided. If you have many customers, there's a handy search bar to speed up the process. Input the customer's name, ensuring that it matches the customer who will be receiving the credit note. Next, you need to type in a credit note number. This step is crucial for record keeping and reference purposes, so take your time to ensure that the number is unique and follows your organization's numbering system. Following that, you'll need to select the credit note date. This is typically the date the credit is issued, so make sure it reflects accurately in your records. Right after, you will see an option to choose a salesperson. If your transaction involves a particular salesperson, you can select their name from the drop-down list provided. This helps in tracking sales performance within your organization. Next, focus on the item table. This part of the form is where you itemize the products or services the credit note pertains to. It's important to provide clear and accurate descriptions here so both parties understand what is being credited. Once you've reviewed all the information entered and are confident it's correct, proceed to click on Save. This will add the credit note to your records, allowing you to allocate it later to a corresponding sales invoice. With all these steps completed, you've successfully issued a credit note in Zoho Books. Remember, accuracy and thoroughness are key when dealing with financial transactions to maintain clear and precise records. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your financial management skills in Zoho Books.